Mid-Autumn Festival is just around the corner. So today, let's celebrate the festival by making some mooncakes in just 5 steps. Here are the ingredients that you need. 2 grams of alkaline water, 75 grams of maple syrup, 25 grams of oil, and 100 grams of all-purpose flour. For the filling, some salted egg yolks to put into the mooncake, some paste. Here I have about 300 grams of coconut custard paste and 300 grams of red bean paste. You can purchase any other paste that you like at Chinese market, or you can make your own at home. Last but not least, save 1 egg for the egg wash later. You will also need some mooncake molds to make those delicate prints on the mooncake. Step 1. Make the dough. Add alkaline water into the syrup. This will neutralize the acid in the syrup to give the mooncakes a better coloring and fluffier texture. Then combine the mixture with the oil. Mix them well. In a large bowl, add in the liquid mixture and flour. Mix them well with a spatula. When finished, the dough will be slightly sticky. Cover the dough in a plastic wrap so that it doesn't dry out. Step 2. Wrap it up. Now here comes the fun part, playing with the dough. Roll a piece of the custard paste into a ball. Take some dough from the mooncake skin and roll it out to form a round, flat shape. Then place the paste in the center of the dough circle and gently fold the dough to completely enclose the filling. Press edges to seal and form a ball shape. Same goes with the red bean egg yolk mooncake. Enclose the egg yolk in the red bean paste filling first. Because I have relatively small mooncake molds, I am only using 1/4 of a full salted egg yolk. Likewise, take some of the dough and form a flat circle shape. Then gently push the skin dough around the filling to wrap it all up. Check to see if there are any breaks in the dough. Step 3. Mold. On a baking tray, place all the doughs. Lightly flour the surface of the dough so that it won't get too sticky. Take the mooncake mold, select the desired design, and put it into the press mold. Lock the print from the back. Slide the mold over the dough. Slowly and firmly push down the plunger. Change patterns if you like. You can also distinguish different flavors by different patterns. Repeat the process. And there you have it! Step 4. Bake, brush, bake. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the mooncakes for 5 minutes and let the prints to be set. In the meantime, you can make some egg wash. In a bowl, simply add 1 tablespoon of water. Crack in 1 egg and whisk them together. Take the mooncakes out of the oven and gently brush the egg wash on the surface of each mooncake to give it a golden brown shine. Put it back to the oven and bake for another 15 minutes at the same temperature. Step 5 is just to wait. This is the simplest step, but it's also an important one. Take the mooncakes from the tray onto a plate or a container. Cover them with a plastic wrap and let them set for several days. And when it's done, you'll see the shiny glowy surface of the mooncakes and it will have a softer texture. In Chinese culture, the round shape resembles the moon and also symbolizes the completeness and unity. Therefore, the sharing of round mooncakes among family members signifies the completeness and unity of the family. I hope you're spending this Mid-Autumn Festival and sharing mooncakes with your loved ones. So enjoy the festival along with those delicious mooncakes. Stay tuned for more recipes.